In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Stealth Ultra controller, you can perform a full reset on it. A reset can help fix any issues attributed to the controller, either when it's not pairing, not charging, not powering on, or anything of the sort. In order to find the option to perform a reset, you will have to press a very tiny physical button. So if your Stealth Ultra controller is unresponsive or won't power on, this is the button that you are looking for. So there is a hidden reset button on the underside of the controller, just below and to the left of the P3 button. So as you can see, turn it around and look around the bottom right corner of the controller. You will see this very tiny button. Because of how tiny it is, you need to use a paperclip, a pin, a toothpick, or a similar very thin tool. So give this pinhole reset button a gentle press for just a moment. You don't have to press it for long, as long as you are able to insert something into this little hole and press it for a little bit, then the reset will happen. So make sure that it is properly pressed, and after it is done, the controller may remain dark or powered off. Then power the controller back on as normal by pressing and holding the controller's Xbox button here. Once it is powered on, you will be able to connect it. So after you have used the Stealth Ultra's small reset button, or after you have reset the Stealth Ultra controller by connecting it to USB power, restart your PC or console and then connect it again, and you will be good to go. This is the only way to properly perform a reset, so you have to press this physical button at the back of the Stealth Ultra controller. It should fix any issues that you have attributed to using it. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.